I need that on the UVR when I launch it over the big tabletop. You want me to show you the line? Moving up.
I just looked it up. It's called Clip Champ.
Clip Champ. Okay.
Clip Champ, yeah.
I heard of that one. But hey, it works good. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Right here, brother. Go away.
Uh-oh. Ah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh! Zach, look at my face.
Uh-oh.
Holy crap, did you see that?
Yeah, I saw it for a second.
That wasp landed right on my glasses and just sat there. Did it with Evan Gordon. That wasp landed on my glasses, bro, and then flew straight towards him.
Man.
Preston, that wasp landed right on my glasses. I was like, oh! Staring at it. I was like cross-eyed, like a fucking Zach. That's the wasp up that I will make it up this. Yeah.
Nice. I'll probably be making the full video, then I'll probably be putting like shorts. I'll take like clips of it and put it on shorts to get even more. Yeah.
You have to text me your
channel
whenever you post it so I can see it.
Alright, I will.
You got me on your Facebook, don't you?
Probably, yeah, on Facebook.
Send me the message through Messenger whenever you do it, and I'll watch it.
Okay.
I should do something with my stupid TikTok. I've got videos on there. It has like 5, 6, 7 million likes on it.
Wow.
I got some of them that are ridiculous.
That's pretty cool.
I don't know why. Just some weirdo, but hey.
Yeah.
people like my videos. Some of them. Ow!
Uh-oh.
Wasn't me. Some of their asshole in a wheelchair.
Let's see, where's the... Oh, there.
I almost like having a little free roll going downhill. Until I do that. Oh god.
Ah.
Oh god. Don't record that. Hey, good thing I gave him the body. Can't be too mad at me over me. Sorry, bro. Sorry, I just tipped over your blazer. I stopped though, it just kind of.
The red one's gonna look like it's blue in a minute.
Hey now, I ain't been riding it like that. I'm way more gentle than other people's stuff. Mine, I'll be like full throttle, send it, don't care, break it, don't care. Other people's, I'm like, inch it, easy, careful, don't roll it. It's funny because you get one family member into it and then another one gets into it and next thing you know everybody has them. And then it's awesome because we all get together.
He was on that pool with her, him and Shody, he's like, yeah, we come down, do a little bit of wheeling. He's like, hey. Like, yeah, there's some killer ass rocks over there. I'm like,
She's like, what?
better than me, man. And then the damn fellow, he said he could introduce some wheeling. I'm like, what? Matt? He broke it out. I'm like, oh shit, I'm loose. Funny. Him and Shody was on that four-wheeler. I'm like, damn, Shorty, you got some trucks.
You got some balls. Riding on that four-wheeler.
Ooh.
Investigation. Moving it along. Backwards wheelies, I got a good battery.
All right.
Tighten my body screws up too. Maybe my body could come loose.
Oh, on the back mount?
What?
On the back mount?
No, my clip that holds in the front there is getting stretched, so I squeezed her back together and put a fresh battery in.
Got all 3 tracks in one video right here.
Somebody see you over here?
I think everybody in town seeing. They're all like, "What are you looking for there?"
Lieutenant Dan's blue legs.
She said that guy in a wheelchair lost his leg.
Yeah.
Grandpa will go and see us throwing him around.
Jack, you want this? It's yours anyway, buddy. Alright, man, what you can take and I just sit here and I have just as much fun watching as I've been driving, dude. I love watching the suspension, the tires fold, the different lines. Yeah, so now when you do that, so you can hold your camera. I saw a guy do this. Let me see your camera real quick, I'll show you. So you hold this camera like this, so you can watch it.
Yeah.
So you hold your camera like this, but you use your fingers
Oh yeah.
like this. Try not to,
Like.
try not to rock your wrist. Keep your wrist steady, and you can actually, West Desert Wheeler, that's how he did a lot of his videos before he got a head mount. I got one, my first one, the one that got these guys all into it, is a Gladiator.
Now I'm driving it. Oh. No.
Really tighten the suspension, but I mean for trailing it was awesome. But for crawling,
The way his is set up too. Did you have the hitch on the back of it too? Yeah, I had a trailer. They have it.
Oh no, my battery's going dead.
that's the same bumper.
And they'll put his truck on the trailer and drive his gladiator.
Pull the boat through the street.
Yeah, they pull it out there and then they'll I was using my gladiator and I'd make this out in the yard. I could turn the radio on, go out there and turn it back over and got the motor back.
Oh God.
And right by the school, you know.
This one wasn't that good.
Really good spot.
Come out here today, and I got a little Tony Hawk box. Got 120 gates, so you have to go over here through these stones.
No.
They all ordered cones and had cones and stuff. Mom went to Walmart and bought some of those play-in balls for little kids play with. We're going to cut those in half, but we just flatten them.
What happens when my camera goes dead?
Huh?
It's on low battery. I could almost have an hour of footage probably.
Probably just clip where it shuts all the way off.
Probably. I'll go right over here or something. But I don't know if I'll even be able to upload most of it. I mean, I need to figure out a quick way, yeah. Right.
And then try to get your wheel up on that higher rock.
That thing does really good, Roy. I can crawl all up this stuff with it.
I'm thinking about cutting out the front of that and trying to raise that winch and all up flush with the hood. That way it has the same clearance in the front as that back bumper. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You kind of turn it to the left a little bit. Nope. There you go. No, you gotta get back on that rock.
I will too.
It's up.
Okay.
Start
Like I
a little
said,
faster.
I-
Start turning. There you go. Start turning this way a little bit. There you go. Keep going.
Or something like that.
Keep going. Keep going. Turn in a little. There you go. There you go.
Nice.
Actually, I bought two
Alright.
of them.
Oh, no.
One pressed, and he couldn't use it, so he gave that one price. Because they're not much. I mean, like I said, they're worth having.
Back up really easy. Turn this way. Hard. Back up.
Keep on his on Facebook.
Facebook.
Oh, wait.
Both of mine I have up on Facebook.
Pretty sick.
There you go.
That's the way it is,
Hey,
right?
I got one, Zach's Grande, four-wheel drive, got a winch. Actually, I stole the winch off.
Alright, y'all.
Back.
That's for the video.
It was,
Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.